Hello, my Darshan Ramakrishnan. This is the next part of the language class. So one person told that real में ऐसा है क्या? 100% in real basically it's like that only. So how that child is going to die na basically? That is also tested basically. You will not able to believe it basically. मतलब आपको यकीन नहीं होगा. That is also tested. That when the child is going to do this all activities, he will die. So one of the person told that if that person basically is very rich, he can basically fight with the death basically. Otherwise, the normal person basically can't fight, right? Because who will create the characters basically? Because one character basically, for example, one Bollywood person basically takes 200 crore, 300 crore for one movie basically. So to spend basically the character of that particular child, it cost basically 50,000, 60,000 crore to one character basically. So Bollywood basically up to that lifestyle basically also they have basically. So you can just imagine. So here one person told that do we have this type of reports basically? If Bollywood groups are playing the role, that means they 100% might be having the report now basically. They might be because they have created the software industry. So they have the data basically. So they basically have the data. So one person told that they have this data basically. They have this data. So you can just imagine basically. So one person told that that software basically which is created by set of groups basically. It might be desktop application or it might be web applications. That 100% might be having some physical place because it's very dangerous application. It's very dangerous application. So one person told that like this basically stuff basically are connected. So next video see.